Here is a small meditation technique to center yourself on the heart, to center yourself in the Anahata. The understanding will make you consciously liberate, consciously free. Understanding will solve the conscious problems. The meditation will solve the unconscious problems. Unconsciously, you hang, you wait for many persons' attentions, and all your small diseases, catching cough, catching cold, catching fever, all these things are because of attention need. See, in the modern day society, nobody is ready to listen to others. Nobody is ready to attend others. If you want attention, you have to fall sick. If you fall sick, everybody is around you, standing near your bed, attending you. Oh, how are you? Shall I bring you a blanket? Shall I get you Horlicks? Shall I give you some fruits? Kids learn this technique. You can see, Monday morning means, Mom, I have a headache. Mom, I feel I am running a temperature. Kids know their technique. To get the attention from you, they say, we are not feeling well. You also know, if you want attention immediately, you say, I am not feeling well. All your simple diseases, the common diseases like headache, stomach pain, anything, the simple disease is related to this attention need. Whenever you need somebody's attention, immediately you fall sick. Whenever you don't want somebody near you, you fall sick. If you want somebody's attention, or if you want to refuse somebody's attention, you fall sick. It happened really. I had been to Howrah. Howrah is this side of Ganga. In Calcutta, that side of Ganga is Calcutta, this side of Ganga is Howrah. I had been to an ashram to stay in Howrah. I called that president to come to another ashram in the opposite of Ganga. The president in the Howrah ashram is supposed to come to the president of the Calcutta ashram. I told him, Swamiji, I am going, please come. I do not know that both of them don't get along well with each other. I just called him casually. Because I called, the Swami has to come no other way. But the Swami doesn't want to come. So what to do? He first said, oh, I have to come. All right. Then after half an hour he said, Swamiji, can't you go by yourself? I feel that I am having headache. And after 1 hour, by the time we started, really he was running a temperature. I don't know how you will believe. It has happened. The feeling that he doesn't want to do creates the disease. In most of our cases also, all our simple diseases, all our small problems are just attention need. The problem of Anahata. This meditation technique will center you in Anahata by energy level. It will remove the unconscious mental setup. You have something called an unconscious mental thinking system, unconscious mental setup. If you want somebody's attention, you fall sick. If you don't want to give attention, you fall sick. There is a unconscious setup. That unconscious setup will be broken by this technique, and your energy will be centered on your Anahata. This technique is called Mahamantra. So let me give the instruction, then you can start doing. Whomsoever can sit on the ground, I request you to sit on the ground. It is a half an hour meditation. If you can't sit on the ground for half an hour, you can sit on the chair, no problem. But if you can sit on the ground, please get down. Feel both your eyeballs will become like a stone. Normally, even after you close your eyes, your eyeballs will be having a slow movement, the simple movements. If you close your eyeballs, if you close your eyelids and feel both your eyeballs will become like a stone. Just feel both your eyeballs like a stone. Tighten it. Give pressure to the eyeballs from inside. Then naturally you will see the movements of the mind stops. This is the second instruction. You can try for a minute, then we will go for third instruction. Visualize both your eyeballs are kept just like a stone. Imagine, give pressure to your eyeballs from inside. Now you can open your eyes. The third instruction is, let your mouth be closed. Start humming from the deep navel center. From this place, start humming. Let me show you. As long, as loud as possible, as deep as possible. In all the three levels, let the humming happen. Your hands may tremble, your eyes may pour water, you may yawn, don't bother about anything. All these things are usual because the prana shakti in you will be getting cleansed. Don't bother about yawning, don't bother about coughing, don't bother about the tears, don't bother about trembling. These are the usual things. Your whole air energy will be cleansed. So, hum as deeply as possible, as loudly as possible, as long as possible for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, sit silently and concentrate on the heart center. Concentrate in this area. You may ask how to concentrate. There will be a light music. Visualize you are listening to that music from this area. Visualize from this area the music is coming up. 4 things. Sitting straight, closing your eyes, and 20 minutes of humming, 10 minutes of concentrating on the Anagata Chakra. This is the Mahamantra meditation. Put your whole effort. People ask me, Swamiji, how to control the thoughts? When you hum, if thoughts come out, don't bother. Increase the speed of the humming, thoughts will disappear. Increase the speed of the humming, thoughts will disappear. Let us start. Please tie the ribbon.